Very good.
Oval.
Oh, next. What's
Video
next?
po yan.
Next.
Square. Square. S. Mami, same po sila nito.
No. S. Square.
Q. U.
Q. Oh, Q. Ang liit naman ng tail ng Q. Oh, enough. S, Q, U.
U. Square.
Square. Air. Square.
A.
Very good. A.
A. R.
Okay. R.
Square. E.
E. Spell the square.
S. U. U. A. R. E.
Okay, next.
Heart.
Oh, heart. Heart.
Heart. Heart. H.
H.
Heart. Mommy, H. A. H. E.
E.
E. Heart.
Heart. Art. Heart.
Art. 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 Art.
Hmm? Art. Art.
Art.
Art.
Art.
R. Art.
A.
A.
It's look like my name now.
Art.
Altea.
Art.
Art. Art. Art. Art. Art.
R. Next.
Heart. T.
T.
E. A. O. U.
Spell that. You read it.
Heart. Heart. Heart.
Heart. That's enough.
Sounds lang po sila.
Sounds lang yung T. Heart.
Sounds lang yung
T.
R at T.
Art. Heart. Spell heart.
Heart. H-E-A-R-T.
Again. Cover it.
H-E-A-R-T.
Very good. Oh, next. What's next?
What is this? Rectangle.
Okay. Rectangle or
C.
rectangle.
R. R.
Mommy, R. Why it's so big naman the baby R? Oh, you don't have eraser. Is there another one pencil? Here, oh. Here.
Here. Ito na lang pang eraser ko. Kaso, paubos na yung eraser ko. Ha.
Next.
R. E. Rec. C. K. K.
You say it again.
Rec.
Rec.
T. T.
T.
Tang.
Tangle.
A.
A.
L. I.
Tangle. Rectangle.
A. N. A. N. G.
sige nga. Cover it. Oh, spell.
Rectangle. R, R, E, C, rectangle. E, A, N, G, L, E.
Very good. Oh, next. Last one.
Diamond.
Oh, diamond. Diamond. Diamond.
D, I,
Diamond.
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 A,
Okay. A.
okay. A,
Next.
diamond. A, N, I, M,
M.
N, O,
O.
N, E, I, N, D,
N, D. Very good. M, D.
D.
Okay. Spell it. Cover.
D, I, diamond. D, I, A, M, O, N, D.
Very good. Done. Oh, yung Tagalog naman yan. Tagalog niya. Dito mo na ilagay.
Alam ko